Hey! Welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a Word document for macOS. Open your web browser and paste a link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Click on Choose Files. Select the file you want to convert and click on Choose. Click on the Start Conversion button. Wait until it is done. Scroll down and click on Download All Files. Extract the files, and that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!